A God word this. Every day, Crew 44 bring we one new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Right now, we're doing a series on the teachings of Jesus. So before we get into today's reading, here's what we're asking you to do. Click the like button, leave a comment on the video, share it with as many people as you can. And of course, if you don't do it yet, click the subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell too, because that way you will get notified every time a new video is uploaded. That's 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning on YouTube. So today we're going to read from Mark chapter 13, from verse 9 to verse 13. Watch out, trouble a go reach you know. Them a go take you and turn you over to the leader them for the Jew them church, and them a go beat you in a them church. And cause you follow me, you will get fit turn up in front of ruler and king and tell them about me. But the good news have to preach to the whole world first before they sit there happen. When them arrest you and turn you over to the judge, nobody fret about what you gonna say or how you gonna say it. Just say what God tell you to say that time there. Cause I know uno attack and the Holy Spirit attack through you. Brother and sister go inform upon them own a brother and sister them and make the people them where rule kill them. As same so, one father I go hand over him own a picnic. Picnic I go turn against them father and mother and make the ruler them kill them. And everybody I go ear to know cause you no follow me. But anybody we hold on tight and turn up strong till the sufferation done, God I go save them people there. A God word this. Thank God. Now, if you want to find out more about Crew 44, just check the description box. Till next time, walk good and one love.